No one stood by me and no one supported me. But I will stand by you in every step of the way. Until the end. You have to win, Diya. You have to win.
आंधियों में कहां से होंगे इन मोहब्बतों के सिलसिले
और मैं कोई तुम और कहीं हो किस तरह जुड़ेंगे रास्ते
रिश्तों का मांझा
रिश्तों का
I will not lose, Arjun, nor I will let you lose. I'm sorry, Mom. Along with being your daughter-in-law, I'm also Arjun's wife. It is my duty to play badminton for Arjun's sake.
मांझा
Oh gosh, you did a lot of shopping. Did you buy the entire mall? Diya, you're going only for 7 days, correct? Yes, Deepika. But look at this. Arjun has done so much shopping for me. And let me show you. Look. He bought dry fruits and clothes. He bought so many things.
Diya, just go and freshen up and stop wasting any more time. Go to bed early. You have to wake up early for the camp. Deepika, could you pack all these things into the suitcases, please? And also, please pack some extra clothes as well. And don't pack dresses. I mean, she can't wear them at the camp. I bought tracksuits for Diya, including a bed sheet and a blanket. I have no idea about the sleeping arrangements.
Okay, coach sir. I'll pack all your wife's bags. Don't worry, please. You care so much about each other. Okay, sir?
Okay.
The wretched Diya is home. I think we won't need Tina to devise any more plans. Diya will visit the washroom, slip on the bathroom floor, and injure her foot. Wow! If her foot gets injured, she won't be able to do anything at the camp, huh? She can't play with a limp.
You go and quickly freshen up. Leave this to me, I'll do it. Leave it.
Deepika, it is okay. I will do
You
it.
must be tired. Didn't you hear what Arjun said? You need to rest. You should rest. I'll take Banno's help.
Yes, Deepika. You know what? The suitcase should be packed by the one who owns it. That makes it easy to find things.
Okay, I get it. Either you will pack your suitcase or your husband. I was merely offering help. Okay, I'll get going.
The fun is about to begin. I should leave before she starts screaming around the house. I'll be in serious trouble if anyone sees me. I'll come back later when she starts wailing, huh? I'll better get going now.
That sounds like Dia screaming. Dia! 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 Dia!
Dia must have broken a bone by now. I wonder how many bones she broke. The news is about to go viral. No, there is no fun in watching alone. Let me call mom. Let's go.
Dia! What happened, Dia? How did you fall?
Arjun, I'm in a lot of pain, Arjun.
Yeah, I have sent you the live location. Yes.
What have you done, dear?
Yes.
How did you fall? Does it hurt?
Mom, the pain has come down. I feel much better now. Look,
Dia, please don't try to act smart now. Just quietly lie down.
Kush, did you call the doctor?
I have called her. She'll be here soon.
Please come, ma'am. The doctor, ma'am, is here.
Ma'am, Dia slipped in the bathroom. Please examine her once.
I'll check. Please sit, ma'am. Where does it hurt?
here.
And
My back.
and your leg?
Yes.
I have examined her. Everything is fine. Fortunately, she didn't hurt her head badly. There is some swelling. I'll write her something for it. Don't worry. She'll be fine.
Doctor, I have been telling them that I was fine, but they don't want to believe me. Mom, look, I will walk and show it to you.
Hey, Dia, wait.
Oh, Dia, what are you doing?
I told you, Mom. Didn't I say? My legs and back, both are fine. Look, Arjun.
Dia, listen to me, dear.
No. Let her walk. This means she has no fracture. But I think you should get an X-ray to be safe.
Oh Lord, what does this girl even eat? I mean, nothing ever affects her. Despite falling so hard, she's fine. Now there is only one way I can stop her.
Miss Agrawal, get some rest. And call me if there's a problem.
Sure. Let me drop you. Banno, carry your bag, please.
Yes.
Come.
Dia, come here. Don't move too much. Just sit here. You're hurt. So just rest, okay? Mom, I'll get an appointment for the x-ray.
Okay, dear. Hey, Dia, didn't you hear Arjun? You need to rest.
Mom, I need to talk to you. But Mom, in private.
Carry on, please. I was about to leave. Please carry on. Wait, dear. What does Dia want to tell Mom? Yes, Dia. What is it? Tell me.
Mom, actually, tomorrow.
You want to leave for camp tomorrow, right?
Yes, Mom. I wanted to discuss it with you.
Discuss it. Why don't you just say that you wanted to tell me that you are going to the camp against my wishes?
But please hear me out.
Diya, look at yourself. You have hurt your leg. You can barely stand. And you still want to go and play badminton? This is madness. Frankly, it scares me. There was a time when Arjun suffered this madness. I won't let anyone else suffer from this madness. Do you hear? I won't let anyone else fall victim to it. I won't let you go. I won't let you go. You will not play badminton. Did you hear me? Badminton, badminton, badminton.
Mom!
This sport has ruined everything.
Mom, what?
It has ruined my family.
Mom, no!
Mom, no, wait. I won't let
Mom,
you go.
no,
I
wait!
won't let
Wait,
you
Mom, what are you doing? Mom, please wait! No, wait!
I won't let you.
What are you doing? This... Mom! Mom! Look what your anger did! Mom, you have cracked it! Mom, this is a small crack. I can fix this with a tape. But Mom, how will we ever fix the cracks that are in Arjun's heart? Mom, Arjun has stopped playing badminton. But he also stopped smiling like he used to. It was as if something inside him shattered into little pieces. Mom, your and my Arjun, the tall and seemingly happy man, is filled with cracks. How will we fill those cracks? I can't even imagine what he must have gone through and how he must have tolerated people's taunts. It hurts him so much. If we talk about this even today, we can feel his eyes become moist. Mom, I want to wipe those tears. And I'm sure that my support and trust will help him get over this pain. Mom, I know that being your daughter-in-law, I must not disobey you. But Mom, I'm a wife too. And my duty as a wife is to support my husband at any cost. Mom, I want to bring a ray of hope in Arjun's life. I want to fill those cracks and wipe his tears. Mom, please. Mom, please give me a chance. Please. And if I lose, I promise you that I'll quit badminton. But Mom, if I win, I will return your Arjun to you. I will return your Arjun to you, Mom. And I promise you that. I promise you, Mom. Mom, this camp is not just a game for me. For me, it is a battle, which I want to fight for, Arjun. Who is it? Who could it be at this time? You? Arjun, what is all this? What are you doing in my room with your bedding?
What am I doing? We'll play badminton. I'll be here and you'll be there.
Are you done? Now tell me, why have you come here?
Because I'll sleep here tonight.
The drawer key is. Niharika?
What happened?
I can't find the drawer key. Where have you kept it?
The key. Oh no! The drug Tina gave me is kept in the drawer. I have to add it to Dia's food so that she's disqualified in the medical test. If Kush sees it, a scene will be created here. What do I do? What do I do?
What happened? What are you thinking?
Me? I'm not thinking anything. I can't remember where I kept the key. I mean, it's not
Hey,
here.
Niharika, you keep the key. How could you forget?
Yes, Kush, I keep the key, but I don't know. I think I kept it somewhere else by mistake. I mean, is it okay if I give it to you tomorrow?
No, Niharika, I need it now. I need to take something important.
What is so important, Kush?
Niharika, I've kept an envelope with important papers there. I need those papers. Please look for the key, please. Please, Niharika, where?
He's insisting now. I'm so crazy. I kept such a dangerous thing in a place where Kush can easily see.
You can sleep there. I'll join these and make a bed. It'll be ready. That's not a problem.
No, Arjun. I'm fine. You don't have to sleep over here. Please, Arjun, go away from here. If Mom finds out, she will be very angry.
Well, I'm not asking you. I'm informing you.
Arjun, you cannot force your decisions on me always. You never listen to me. Arjun, don't you remember? An astrologer came from Guru's ashram and he said that for a month we can't. What was it? I mean, we can't stay together in the same room. Arjun, if Mom finds out, she will be very angry.
Really? So just tell me what time it is.
It's 12 o'clock.
Yes, it's 12 o'clock. That means that condition was for a month. And 1 month is over today.
Yes, but...
Look, Diya, I don't want any arguments. Go to sleep and let me sleep too. Diya, I'm sleeping here because you're unwell. Just wake me up if you need anything. Just wake me up. It's as simple as that.
if mom finds out and she gets angry, I'll put the blame on you.
Yeah, you may do that. Just let me do this.
Give it to me, I'll do it, Arjun.
I'll do it. As it is, you're very careless.
I'm careless.
Of course. The floor gets wet after one takes a bath. You should have been careful.
It's me. I'm always in a hurry. But I had a narrow escape today. But how come there's so much shampoo on the floor? Banno said that she hadn't come to clean the washroom. And even Deepika doesn't know anything. Then how did so much of shampoo get spilled? What if someone else is behind this? Yes, I did not pay attention as I was in a hurry.
So what else do I call this if not for carelessness? If you had hurt your feet or your head, then what? Anyway, look there. Come here. Aren't you unwell? Be careful. Sit here. You should rest. You won't argue, not saying anything. You're just going to sleep. Good night.
Good night.
You haven't found it? Then I'll have to break the drawer. I'll get the toolbox, okay?
No. I mean, come on, Kush. What are you saying? I mean, what is the need to break this? I don't know where I kept it. Let me think. Where did I keep it?
I'll look for it.
Oh.
Hey, what happened? Why did you sit down?
Hey, Kush. I have kept the key. So let me think. Wait. Where did I keep the key? Listen, I'll find it and give it to you tomorrow in the morning. So you just go now and do your work, Kush. Go.
Niharika, I need those papers urgently. Please find the key. It's urgent.
Okay, fine. I'll surely find it. Where did I keep the key? My goodness, he has become desperate. I'll have to mix this powder in Dia's food tomorrow morning.